How about if we never started hunting whales? Throwback to the times when humans started to hunt animals for the sake of their needs. Humans started to civilize and felt the urge to hunt the wildlife for fulfilling their pursuits. Whaling is the same process started in 1864 and spread around the globe as one of the emerging industries. But what if we never started hunting whales? Would that be a good idea? This is Earthy Perks, with a new episode for popping the bubble of our imagination and curiosity regarding the matter that if we never started hunting whales. It was the fifth most booming sector that played an important role in the economy of the United States and made the revenue up to $10 million. But on the peak of success, people started to ponder on a fact that whaling was somehow not a good idea. To support their logic, they conferred that hunting whales depleted their number and affected the marine ecosystem. It was further stated that if the whale hunt never happened, there'd be less carbon in our atmosphere and our planet would be a lot healthier. Earthy Perks here presents you with strong referrals for the situation if we never started hunting whales. If we restored whale populations to pre-hunt levels, we could remove about 1,600 tons of carbon from our atmosphere every year. Here comes a point to ponder, that how can one species be so important to the entire planet? If we just see the insights, it could be easily revealed that whale hunting is profitable in many regimes, be it the whale meat that could be used for mass feeding, or the oil could be employed for lubricating the machinery, or could be used in energy production. The whale intestine could be used as a precursor for making the perfumes, and yes, last but not least, their flexible cartilage could be used to make corsets and umbrellas. With all these utterly important attractions of whaling, one could clearly understand to how much extent whales were killed. This created a backlash, and the activity was banned. In 1986, whaling was abolished, apart from the fact that it was supported by a number of influences. But as we got rid of the whales, the fish and krill started to die too. Whales are apex predators, which means that they're the top of their food chain. When you begin to remove the head of a food chain, it creates something called a trophic cascade. Basically, it could disrupt an entire ecosystem. Whales don't just eat fish and krill. Rather, they also play a big part in allowing those populations to thrive. Their poop releases essential nutrients like iron and nitrogen into the surface waters. That gives life to those plant plankton, which, in turn, feeds fish and krill. Swimming their way back to the surface, the whales knock planktons that provide them with more chances to reproduce. The more plankton there are in our waters, the more carbon dioxide they absorb from our atmosphere. Whales also contribute directly to cleaning up the atmosphere. They store large amounts of carbon and carry it to the seafloor when they die. Otherwise, this carbon would be released into the environment, contributing to global warming. This all makes it quite clear how important these creatures are. So here comes a question. Is whaling worth it? Let us know in the comment section below. But for now, like us, subscribe us, and yes, share us. And don't forget to hit that bell widget. This is going to make you stay updated with all the freshly brewed content by us. Till the next video, fueling your imaginations and breaking your curiosity, it's Earthy Perks signing off, leaving you to think for this crucial aspect of maintaining the ecosystem.